And hi everyone, welcome to the channel. And today I got two cost-effective smartphone model for you. And the left one is the Ulefone Note16Pro, and the right one is the Freeyond M5. And for the left one, most of you may be familiar with it because this brand is focused on larger devices mainly. But this time they also bring us the regular smartphone, and it's cost-effective products. And for the right one, I think most of us are not so familiar with it because it's a new brand and the Freeyond. But the team about this of Freeyond is from Guinea. Yes, so this is also very top and a famous brand in the market before, and now the team create this new brand, and they also focus on the cost-effective model in the market, and they bring us the M5. So today I'm going to have a very quick and very simple comparison video about these two devices, because both of these two devices are very similar and have very similar specifications and designs, and also the price are both of them are very attractive. Okay, so first I will give my clues of how to compare it. First from the appearance, then from the RAM and ROM, the chips, and then from the battery and the charging speed, and then from the screen, and then the last one from the camera. And then we will have a very simple camera test about these two devices. So both of them, they put the smartphone pictures in front of their box, and here, okay, it's the smartphone. Okay, this one is the front, and this one is the back side of this smartphone. And here is the two devices we will compare today. The left one is the blue one, is the Ulefone Note16Pro, and the right one is the Freeyond M5. And so this what is the first impression, but from my point of view, both of them are very similar. First is a back panel design. It's a very simple design, logo and glass, camera zoom, very similar. The left one, matted glass, matted and sand polishing material and the fillings, but the right one is the shining glass, so this is difference. Another thing is about the camera zoom. Both of them are very Apple style camera zoom. And this one, dual camera system or the dual color LED flashlight. Right one is 1, 2, 3 triple real camera system, and it's also have this Apple style camera zoom, but this one is a mirror glass, and this one is not. It's just a matted and polishing. And we go to the side, the framework, matted glass, shining framework, shining glass, matted framework. So this is the difference. That's very funny, huh? Yes. And the camera the buttons, cameras, and the charging dot, the 3.5mm dot, very similar. And when we go to the front, wake up screen, whoa, also similar, very similar. Both of them more drop screen, and screen size same, 6.52 HD plus IPS screen. So this is also same. And okay, yeah, so this is about the appearance about two devices. I will say over 80% are similar when we talk about the appearance. Next, about the chips. And for the chips, both of them use the Unisoc T606 chips. It's not the MediaTek, it's not the Snapdragon, but it's also used the low-end Unisoc chips, and it's a 12 nanometers producing technology, and also it support maximum 1 1.6 gigahertz frequency for the frequency. Yes, we can screen. Yes, go to settings to check device. Yes, and for this time for the Ulefone, we've got the 8GB RAM plus 256GB RAM, and for the Freeyond we have a 8GB RAM plus 128GB RAM. So this is also different, but the Freeyond they provide also 8GB RAM plus 256GB RAM. The price is a bit different. And about the when we go to settings, we can check the information more here, like here. Yes, 8GB RAM plus 256, and we can also get the Android information for the Ulefone, Android version setting, and for the Note, for the Freeyond M5 12, Android 12. So this is also the difference between these two devices. And besides the chips, the RAM and ROM, next we can go to the batteries. For the batteries, and the Freeyond provide 5,000 big batteries with 18-watt fast charging, but for the Ulefone, it's only get 4,400 mAh big batteries. So this is for the batteries. This is the difference, and then we can check from the size. Almost same, not so big difference. So this is I think the advantage of the Freeyond M5. Okay, after the battery, we can go to the screen. As I mentioned, for the screen part, both of them use the 6.52 HD plus IPS screen. But the advantage of this is they support 90 Hz refresh rate. So this is the difference. And after screen, we can go to the camera. For the front, both of them use the drop screen, and it supports the 8 megapixel front camera. You can take a sample test. Okay, and we can check it. Okay, so here we can find the difference. To be frank, I prefer the Freeyond, more real, and we can get more details. Simple, and I will put the images at the end of the video. And then next, the real camera. Okay, also real camera. 4x zoom is support. And for this one, ten times zoom. 10 times. Yes, 10 times. So this is the. Okay, yes, last about the camera, I will give more details. This one, 8 megapixel, 50 megapixel main camera, AMA camera, and 2 megapixel macro. And this one, triple camera system, 50 megapixel main camera and 8 megapixel wide angle and 2 megapixel macro lens. So here is the difference. So this one supports macro lens, and we try to take a picture. Cannot. This one cannot get more details. Okay, and more wide angle as well. So this is the simple comparison video between these two devices, from the design, from the chips, RAM and ROM, display, battery, and camera. And okay, thanks for watching my comparison video, and leave a comment and let me know which model you prefer. And okay, thanks for watching. Let's attend the video for more cool gadgets from here, and bye bye.